ready to level up your crypto trading game. Today, we're diving deep into the Kraken Pro App, your gateway to advanced crypto trading, in just 90 seconds. First, familiarize yourself with the interface. Notice the customizable charts, the order book displaying real-time buy and sell orders, and the constantly updating market data. Now, let's execute a trade. Tap the trade button, and you'll see options for market orders, which execute instantly at the best available price, limit orders, allowing you to set a specific price you're willing to buy or sell at, and stop-loss orders, crucial for managing risk by automatically selling your asset when it reaches a certain price. Feeling ambitious? Explore margin and futures trading options, but remember these involve increased risk. Only trade with leverage if you fully understand the implications. Unleash your inner analyst with advanced charting tools at indicators like moving averages, RSI, or MACD, and use drawing tools to identify trends and potential entry or exit points. Depositing and withdrawing funds is straightforward. Navigate to the funding section and choose your preferred method. Always double-check the address before confirming. Security is paramount. Enable two-factor authentication, create a strong password, and regularly review your security settings to protect your assets. Track your progress, review your trading history to analyze your performance, identify patterns, and refine your strategies. Stay informed with price alerts and notifications. Set custom alerts to get notified of significant market movements. Need help? The app provides access to customer support and troubleshooting resources. Finally, customize the app's settings to optimize your trading experience. Adjust display preferences, notification settings, and more to suit your personal trading style. Now get out there and trade smart.